I've been able to generate over $60,000 in the last 4 months through freelance digital marketing, so let's talk about it. What I do is I promote companies' products, and when somebody purchases through my link, I earn a commission. This is a business model that has been around since the 1980s, and 86% of companies have these programs that are free to sign up for. Big companies such as Amazon, Lululemon, Target, Sephora, Nike, Petco, Best Buy. 9 times out of 10, if you have a company in mind, they most likely have an affiliate program that is free to sign up for. Once you have your affiliate link, you are then going to create a 2-page website, aka sales funnel. Your sales funnel should consist of an opt-in page and a sales page. You are also going to set up an email autoresponder. I am currently using System.io for my sales funnel and my email autoresponder. Once you have those systems set up, you're going to create a brand new social media page. It's best to start with 0 followers so you can target your specific audience and build trust and connection with that audience, and they will become your followers. Now you're going to put your sales funnel link into your bio, and you're going to post valuable content promoting your products every single day, 2 to 3 times a day. Drive traffic to your sales funnel, collect the leads, and then those people will become your buying customers down the road. This is the exact system that I use to make 4 figures a day. I learned all of these skills through the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, which is only $7. If you want to check it out, it's always linked at the top of my page with my free beginner's guide.